in the hip. This is good. Nice back moving. Good job. Yeah, that's okay. Drive her into it. Good. Good. Nice halt. Good. Soften your elbows as you go into the walk. Yeah. And then put your leg on. Yeah. So she stepped off and was tense, but then after that, it's really nice. Good. Not so much with both reins, right? Think soften those elbows. Make her round. Good. Ride her forward into it. Make sure your reins are short enough. Really soften your elbows. Elbows forward. Now, bend her nose and make her give. Some more on your left, but that's good. More on your right, I'm sorry. And then soften your elbows again. There. Good. Now soften. Let your elbows come forward. You pull back when you feel her tense. You should go forward. Yes. Soften, soften, soften. Yeah, see, you didn't even need to prep for the transition until after. Circle, you're supposed to do a circle. That's good. Do a circle there. That works. Think about your canter. Good. Yes. Good. And then just come down the long side a little bit and before M, trot. Beautiful. Soften, trot. Yeah. After C, walk. Soften, walk. Elbows. Tighten your core. Yeah. And you're going to go E to F as your free walk. Man. Tighten your core. Elbows forward. Go across the diagonal, free walk. Let the reins out. Still tighten your core. Let your hands come down. Hands down. There you go. Good. She took a little advantage of that, but that's okay. Start your ball. F is your medium walk. A is your trot. Soften your elbows. Tighten only as you ask. Yes. Circle at E. No worries. Think about your wrist. Yes. Go forward into the contact, not pulling back to make it. Don't put your hands wide. You don't need it. Ride looking at your horse so you're not overbent to the inside. Relax your inside rein. There you go. After C. Not yet, not yet, not yet, now. Good, no worries. Just relax off that. So you're supposed to do a circle. Do a circle in the middle. That'll work. Good. Core and elbows. And little leg. Yes. Leg, 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 leg. Down the long side. Ask her for a trot. Good. No worries. Down center line. No worries. Just soften your elbows. Good. Don't kick. Elbows. Yeah, but that was poor timing. Good.